Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to practice Alif Vowel. There's tips and tricks to practice Alif Vowel or any vowel. First of all, you have to watch the lesson related, which is lesson 7. Second, you have to repeat the words in this video after me. Third, you have to repeat the video more than once. Finally, subscribe, like, and comment to see more of these videos. Now, let's start with Bismillah. First page, we will pronounce the letters once with Fatha and another with Alif. When we pronounce with Fatha, it takes half the duration of pronouncing it with Alif. Meaning, if I said the first letter here, A, the second one will be A. Notice that the Alif here is double the duration of the Fatha. So let's start from the first letter, A. A. Repeat after me. B. B. Next one. T. T. Next one. Th. Th. The next one. J. J. Next letter. H. H. Next letter, Kha, Kha. Next one, Da, Da. Next one, The. Next letter, Ra, Ra. Don't say Ra, Ra. No, say Ra, Ra. Next one, Za, Za. The next one, Sa, Sa. Let's move to the next page. First letter that we have is the Shin. We will pronounce it once with Fatha and once with Fatha and the Alif. So if the Fatha takes like half a second to be pronounced, the Fatha and the Alif would take 1 second and a half to be pronounced. So Sha, Sha. Next one, Sa, Sa. Next one, Da, Da. The next one, Ta, Ta. Next one, Dha, Dha. Next one, A, A. Next one, Gha, Gha. Next one, Tha, Tha. Next one, Qa, Qa. Now let's move to the next page. We will do the same. The first letter that we have here is the Kaf letter. It's written once with Fatha and once with Fatha and the Alif. In the second one, we will stretch the Fatha to be more long or more stretched. Now let's read Ka, Ka. La, La. Next one. Ma, Ma. Next one. Na, Na. Next one. Ha, Ha. The next one. Wa, Wa. The next one. Ya, Yeah. Let's move to the next page. In this page, we have Arabic words, once written without alif and another with the alif added, to know the difference between the fatha and the alif. The first word that we have here is qama. If we added the alif, it would be qama. Notice what happened here. The alif stretched the fatha of the qaf. So instead of saying qa, we say qa. Let's do it again. Qama. Qama. Next one. Ada. Ada. Next one. Sada. 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 سادة. Next one. ملا. مالا. ملا. مالا. Next one. فاقة. 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 Next one. نما. نام. نما. نام. Next one. جدة. جادة. جدة. زادة. Next one. كتب. كاتب. كتب. كاتب. Let's move to the next page. Before we move to the next page, if you wish to improve faster, join our academy. We provide Arabic and Quran Tajweed classes for you or your kids. We have qualified male and female teachers and flexible timings. If you are interested, you will find the link in the description and in the first comment. Now, let's continue our lesson. The first word that we have in this page is ذهب. ذاهب. ذهب. ذاهب. Next one. بسط. باسط. بسط. باسط. Next one. عبد. عابد. عباد. Notice in the second word here, we stretched the ayn because the alif came after the ayn. But in the third one, we stretched the ba because the alif moved to be after the ba. So, wherever is the alif, we stretch the letter before it. Again, عبد. عابد. عباد. Next one. كتب. كاتب. كتاب. كتب. كاتب. كتاب. Next one. سمع. سامع. سماع. سمع. سامع. سماع. Next page. In this page, we have words mentioned in Quran. The first word that we have here, you will see the alif after the hamza. So we say آدم. آدم. Next one. هاجر. هاجر. Next one. طاقة. طاقة. Next one. ناقة. ناقة. The next one. غالبة. غالبة. Next one. ظالم. ظالم. Next one. حارب. حارب. Next one. جامع. جامع. Next one. ثالث. ثالث. Next one. دابر. دابر. Next one. ثانية. ثانية. Next one. خالك. خالك. Next one. بادية. بادية. Next one. فاطري. فاطري. Next one. داعية. داعية. Next one. يخاف. يخاف. Let's move to the next page. The next page, the first word is يزال. يزال. Next word. يغاث. يغاث. Next one. يطاف. يطاف. Next one. يحاسب. يحاسب. Next one. مآرب. مآرب. Next one. مغانم. مغانم. Next one. ليالي. ليالي. Next one. مفاتح. مفاتح. Next one. هنالك. هنالك. The next one. دعانا. دعانا. Next one. قالتا. قالتا. Next one. أكلها. أكلها. Next one. شنآن. شنآن. Next one. ناشئة. ناشئة. The next one. فأذاقه. Notice that the second letter here is Hamza, not Alif. We will not pronounce the Alif because there is a Hamza above it. And as we said before in previous lessons, we said if the Hamza comes above any letter, we don't pronounce this letter, we only pronounce the Hamza. So we say فأذاقه. Next one. مناكبها. مناكبها. Next page. In this page, we have Arabic words. We will read from the beginning. صواب. صواب. Next one. سحاب. سحاب. Next one. بناها. بناها. The next one. ذواتا. ذواتا. Next one. قضاها. قضاها. Next one. تفاهما. 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 The next one. تناصرا. تناصرا. The next one. تقاربا. تقاربا. Next one. تداركا. تداركا. Next one. تسالف. تسالف. Next one. يدافع. يدافع. Next one. يناقش. 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 Next one. يخالف. يخالف. Next one. يتراجع. يتراجع. Next one. يتواضع. يتواضع. Next one. أساور. أساور. Next page. First word here is أكابر. أكابر. Next one. أحاسن. أحاسن. Next one. هدايا. هدايا. Next one. قضايا. قضايا. Next one. غابات. غابات. The next one. خالات. خالات. The next one, you will notice that there is a sign above the alif. This sign called the stretch sign. And it make the alif pronounced like this. A. A. So we will read this word like this. أتاه. So in this word we have 3 alifs. First one, middle one, and the last one. Again. أتاه. Next one. آخرين. آخرين. Next one. آمن آدم. آمن آدم. Next one. تاب وأناب. تاب وأناب. Next one. هاجر وجاهد. هاجر وجاهد. Next one. أقام صلاته. أقام صلاته. Next page. In this page, we will learn something called the small stretched alif. This alif is only written in Quran. The only difference between the normal alif and the small stretched alif is the shape, but the duration is the same. Let's pronounce the first word here. مالكي. مالكي. Next one. صراط. صراط. Next one. هذا. هذا. The next one. You will notice that there is small alif above the ya. And here we will only pronounce the alif, not the ya. The ya is just a chair for the alif. So we say إلى إلى. Next one. ذلك ذلك. Next one. بناها بناها. The next one. هذان هذان. Next one. سعى سعى. Next one. يرى يرى. Next one, you will see the alif written above a vowel, and as we said, we only pronounce the above letter. So we say ومناته ومناته. The next one. يجاهد يجاهد. The next one. نصارى نصارى. Next one. عاليها عاليها. Next one. ثلاثة ثلاثة ثلاثة. Next one. تراود تراود. Next one. تلاها تلاها. That's it for today. See you inshallah next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of these videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.